Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian, and in this video I'm going to review a table that I got from Home Depot. I was looking for a lifetime table, but I couldn't find one, so I got what looked like the next best alternative. This table is called the 72-inch granite white plastic tabletop metal frame folding table. That's literally what it's called. I don't know what the brand is. It doesn't list that there is a brand, but the SKU number is 1004118871. So like I said, I was looking for a lifetime table because I've owned a lifetime table before and I liked it. And I wanted to get a bigger table for the studio here so I could set it up and have a nice place to review things. So I went to look for a lifetime table and I couldn't find one anywhere. Couldn't find, well, the one that I was looking for at least. Couldn't find it on Amazon. I couldn't find it at Walmart. I couldn't find it at Home Depot or Target or the Lifetime stores, the Lifetime website. The table that I was looking for was sold out everywhere. So I looked for the next best alternative that looked like it would be the next best alternative. And that's how I came across this table on Home Depot's website. So it looked like a pretty good table. Figured I'll pick it up and try it. It was, I think it took about 7 days from the time I ordered it to get in, but it came in today. I went out and picked it up. And now I'm going to review it. So let's get into it. Okay, there's the table up against the wall. Let's measure it and see how wide it is. So 29 3/4 inches wide. And looks like these are pretty straightforward, pretty standard table. So you got these clips right here and right here that hold one side of the legs in place. Looks like the legs lock out and then have this little chain link looking thing here to stop them from caving back in. Let's stand it up. It's a pretty lightweight table too for its size. And it seems pretty sturdy. I'm about 205 pounds and I'm putting as much weight as I can while I'm still standing on the table, and it doesn't feel like it's bowing at all right now. So sturdy, feels smooth. Let me see if I can show you from the side. I don't know if you'll be able to see this on the GoPro. Probably not, because I can't really pull the focus the way I want it to show the smoothness of it. But it's not really that rough. The Lifetime table I had, well I still have, is quite a bit rougher than this. Okay, let's get a height measurement. So from the floor to the top of the table, it's about 28 3/4. Let me get that so you can see it. So there it is on the floor. And right in line there, it's about 28 and a little bit above 28 3/4. Flip the table over. It's a really pretty lightweight table. Here's the bottom. So warning on here, it says the product can hold up to 330 pounds static weight. Yeah, the frame is solid. It looks like the frame is put in here. Let me show you this. So the frame is connected with screws here on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, looks like 8 screws on both sides of the frame. And it feels really solid in there. The frame feels actually really solid, really heavy. Lock that out. Yeah, there's not a lot of player movement in the frame. In fact, there's none. You probably can't see it on camera, but the frame itself is not moving. It's just that it's moving the entire table, which I think is really good. I really don't like it when there's slop and play and frames and joints. So this table is really solid. Even these rivets here, even this section that folds. I doubt you can see it on the camera, but it is sturdy. All right, that's it for this video. There's not a whole lot to say about the table. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It looks great. It looks fine to me. It feels strong. It feels stable. And if you're thinking, hey, I need a lifetime table, this could be a good alternative if you can't find a lifetime table, like I couldn't find a lifetime table. So, you know, I've never owned the 6-foot lifetime table. I owned the smaller lifetime table, which felt a little bit wobblier than this one. Didn't feel as stable, but it was a smaller table, so that might have something to do with it. Probably almost definitely has something to do with it. Overall, yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm glad I got it. I'm looking forward to getting it set up and having the studio space really complete. Next, I'm going to glue the carpet onto the table. Well, I don't know if I'm going to glue it. I'm going to affix it on there somehow. I might screw it in. I might glue it on. I haven't decided yet, but then I'll be one step closer to having the studio set up. So I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.